Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. To your surprise, I'm actually gonna review a bag today. It was kind of like a, what's it called, not expected purchase, because I only went to Macy's just to look around because I was bored, and we were trying just to, you know, be a little active, because we just went to the theater and we had a bunch of popcorn and candy, so we were just trying to, like, you know, just walk around our tummies because we were full from the food. But I ended up going to the Macy's store, and this Macy's that I go to has a Coach inside, so I ended up going through the bags and I found a bag that caught my attention again. I'm trying not to spend a lot of money, but I can't control it. So if you guys want to know what kind of bag I purchased yesterday, please keep on watching. Alright you guys, so like I said, I went to Macy's and I purchased another bag. I don't want to tell my parents because they're gonna be like, why are you buying so many bags? Anyways, it is my money, but still, you know, they don't like me spending that much. So the last bag I purchased was the Tabby shoulder bag 26, the Tabby 26, I believe. That one was close to 400 plus tax. It was 430, but this one was $100 cheaper. Also, the fact, if you guys don't have a Macy's card, you should get one, because I got $20 off the bag, so the total was $326. So I took $20 off, so I only paid $306. It's not much, but it's something. So the bag was $300. Let's get on with it. I'm very excited for the bag. Alright guys, so my memory card got full, so I had to go and delete some stuff. That's why the shit just passed out of nowhere. But let's get on with it. I'm so excited. I've been waiting like a whole day, because I usually, when I buy a bag, I right away open it, make a video and all that shit. But it's still in the Macy's bag. I'm just looking my mom doesn't come in because she said I cannot buy more bags, and I'm 30 years old. Okay, so it's still in the bag. I wonder if you guys can guess what kind of bag did I get. Like always, you can go to Macy's and most of the time they give you the bag that's on display, but always know that you have the right to ask them, do you have one in the bag, because you want one that's completely new and untouched. That's what I always do now, but back then I remember I bought one that was on display and it had like a super big scratch on the bottom. I was so pissed. I paid, like, that was the quilted bag, it was like $500, and this one was the black one. So I went back, I returned it, and I got the white one that I have currently, and it was the best decision I've made, because, you know, it was really good. No way, my camera's about to die. Really? I'll be right back. My camera's dying. I have to go charge it now. I gotta wait now. Alright guys, so my camera died, so I had to wait like at least 10 minutes. It kind of fully charged really quick. So I do have a spare battery that came with the package when I bought my camera, so that's a good thing. But that one was dead too, so I'm charging that one as well. So hopefully this one doesn't die on us before we show you the bag. As I was saying, it's still in the bag. Macy's. Everybody's getting ready right now. Can you guys guess what bag I bought? So I think I do like the pastel color, like the chalky white color, because that's what attracts me more. So that is the color that I got. So I got a brand new one from the back. I told her I wanted a new one and I don't wanted the one in display because that one was already dirty. So this is the bag, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and unravel it. So excited. So I think you guys already kind of can see what it is. I'm so excited. It's a mini tote bag. I always wanted a tote bag, but I feel like they're too bulky and big. So this one's like right in the middle, and it's beautiful, chalky, beautiful white color. It looks so fucking perfect. I'm actually excited about this bag, because the other bag that I bought last time, I love the bag, but those really are not my colors. Like, I really don't like the print, the Coach print, that much. For the last bag that I bought, I love it regardless. It's just the fact that I carry a lot of shit. I carry a lot of stuff, and I'm always like struggling like with what things to put in, because sometimes I'll be like, you know what, everything fits if I just leave my glasses out, or everything fits if I just take out my wallet off, you know, like I always have to reorganize my stuff in my bag. Nonetheless, I love the bag, but you already know us, we get attracted to other bags. So this is the bag, you guys. Oh my goodness, you guys can look at it. It's beautiful, little glary. So this is the Willow bag, but this is not the bucket. I feel like the bucket was kind of ugly. I didn't like the bucket. I mean, it does look beautiful, it's just not my style, but you know, no hate to the bag. To me, it just didn't look like attractive to me, or it caught my eye. So this is the Willow Tote bag. I think this is the Willow Tote 24. So this is how it looks like. It looks really cute. Go ahead and get rid of all this trash. Will I be returning this bag? No, I'm not. So we're gonna start. I don't know if I should like get you guys closer. I'm trying to do this like, this is just the presentation of the bag. I will be doing a second video. How long have I been filming? I will be doing a second video to show you guys what I fit in my little tote and my little tote bag. Everybody's coming out of the rooms. I think they're leaving already. Okay. This is how the bag looks like, you guys. Beautiful, beautiful chalky white. It does come with little legs. Little legs on the bottom. Look at those, so cute. It comes with little small little legs. They're leaving. Alright guys, so this is a little more in depth part right here. This is how it looks like. I'm trying to show you guys. It's a beautiful pebbled style bag, as you guys can see. Oh my god, this bag is so adorable. It comes with the little keychain, Coach little sign right there, very beautiful. It has a lot of little gold detail. The little bags are a little light beige. I'm trying to like, I don't know, I don't want to ruin this bag. It's so beautiful. Like this is the type of bag that I really don't want to like use, because I don't want to dirty it. Don't mind my dirty shit next to it, but yeah, this is the bag. Oh my god. I don't know, so beautiful. So yeah, there's not much to it. Like I said, the bag only has 3 compartments. It's a mini tote bag. Let me twist it around like this. You guys can see it does come with this little thingy right here. Obviously that's because of the design of it. And yeah, and obviously, like I don't think I said the price, but the price for this bag was $295. My total was $326, but like I said, I had $20 in rewards, so I ended up saving $20, and I bought this for $306. Yeah, it's a really good deal. Again, you guys, if you go to Macy's and you buy the bags, make sure you ask for a bag that's in the back. It's way better. And then we have the little legs. Oh my god, look at the little legs. The little legs look so adorable, so cute. This bag is, wow, fully overlooked. I did not see that many videos on this bag, so I was very surprised, but this bag is gorgeous. So yeah, you guys, very beautiful bag. Yeah, I don't think I want to use it today. So yeah, so this is how the bag looks like. Beautiful Coach little logo right here, and it comes with a little thing in a different color. It looks really nice. These are the little handles. It does come with 3 compartments. We have the first compartment right here, and then there's a zipper in the middle. I'll show you guys. It's a zipper in the middle right here, and then we have another compartment right here, the one that connects to this one right here. So there's 3. There's not much to it or what to say about the pocket. It's a very simple tote. It comes with 3 compartments, one zipper in the middle, and then another one right here. This one has a magnetic lock, so it locks magnetically, so you don't have to worry about anything else. Other than that, this is the bag. I will be making a second part video to show you guys what fits in my bag, and I'll be going more in depth with the bag. This video is going to be a little short. I just want to show you guys the bag. Whoop. Beautiful, cute little, so adorable. I just wanted to show you guys the bag today. It's just, there's too much going on. My family is so getting ready and stuff, so I just wanted to show you guys the bag. This is the new bag that I bought. I did got $70 reward, so I will be buying another one. So at $70 is way much than $20, so I gotta go back. So yeah, so this is the first part video of the bag, presenting my new what was it called again? Willow mini tote bag 24, and this is the one that I liked and that I saw, and it just looks so adorable, and this is what we bought. So again, you guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, do makeup tutorial videos, bag reviews, and also random shit. So again, you guys, thank you so much, and we'll see you guys in the next video.